Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set affiliate commission on Gumroad. So actually guys, we'll need to go with gumroad.com, sign in with your account and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner of the screen. So right here we'll need to go and click on the products right here and then just get the link of the product they want to have the affiliate for, okay, if that's for yourself as well. And then just go with your name right here, go with affiliates, okay, and here you will need to enable the affiliates, and to do that you will need to go with new products or add affiliates, okay. And if you have a published product, you can add an affiliate easily. So as you can see right here, you need a published product to add affiliates, okay. So just go ahead with add affiliate, just to set an example with, and here inside the published products affiliate tab you will need to set the commission rate, okay. So that's the commission, and once you find that, you will need to enter a percentage. So for example, if we type 20, the affiliates get the 20% off each sale. Then just go with add affiliates, okay, to save changes. Of course, you will need to add email right here first, all right. And the Gumroad afterward will calculate the commission automatically, and it's paid out when the affiliate reaches the payout threshold, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.